So then to go with the heavy duty metal power strip. So the first thing I like to see on here is this is a nice thick cable, which is important because if you're going to be plugging a bunch of things into here, you want to make sure that the cable is capable of handling that kind of amps. It does say on the jacket this is 14 og. I would have preferred to see 12, but 14 is pretty good. Especially considering a lot of the power strips I find nowadays are like 16 or even 18, so 14 is not bad. I also like seeing that they have this cable holder built into it. So we are looking at about 5.5 feet for that cable. We have 10 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and a USB-C port. It does not say on the box itself what those are rated for, but we can see on the packaging the quick charge 3.0 18 watts and the USB-C is 20 watts. And there are also slots cut in, so if we want to hang this thing on a wall, we can do that. On the switch this says off, this says reset, so that means that this is surge protected. And that does light up. And if we plug our phone in, we are charging. Go. That'll work.